there, third graders. It is just about time. It's really time to get started learning cursive. So in kindergarten, you started writing manuscript. That is the same as printing, and your letters are not connected. The letters are bunched together to make words, but the letters within a word are not connected. In cursive, your letters are connected within a word. So let's get started. One of the great things about these worksheets is that the pencil will show you where to get started. The dot also tells you where to get started. The arrow shows you the direction in which you'll be going. So we're starting with the magic letter C, and it says bump the line. That means that you're just going to be right next to the line here and the line here. When you were in second grade, you wrote on paper that looked like this. It had 3 lines, and the line, well, maybe a little straighter than that, and the line in the middle was what we call a dashed line or a dotted line. Sometimes I get a little confused with this packet because this looks like it's the top line, but it actually is not. It's in the middle, okay? So that is not a capital C, it's a lowercase c, and it goes up to the middle line, okay? So we're gonna learn all the letters of the alphabet, lowercase first, and then we will move on to capitals. Okie doke. Hopefully we'll get to that. So, so to make the lowercase c, you'll start at the middle line and you will stop here. And it's just like a manuscript C. Now, here's where things get a little bit different. Our goal is to get to this. First, we'll start out by doing this. We'll start in the same place. We already know how to start a C, right? We bump the line to connect 2 C's, as in the word, let's see, tobacco, vacuum. There's sometimes C's are connected. You're going to travel up in a curved line. You'll bump that line like you see there. Then, let's do this one more time. We're training our muscles. Your muscles remember what to do when they've done it enough times. Like, you don't have to think when you throw a ball, you don't have to think, oh, I have to raise my hand up to get the ball up high. No, you just do it, right? So if you practice this and you focus and you take your time, you will know it forever. So we're repeating this action. We went uphill, we bumped the line. Now, see where that arrow is? That's telling us that we need to go back the way we came and down. So we're starting out easy, wheezy, wheezy. On this line, you are going to trace what you see. Whenever we're learning a letter, we start by tracing. I want you to trace all the letters. This is even a little bit messy. Oops, my eraser is pretty gone, so I'm not going to erase that. But if you have an eraser and you make a mistake, erase it. So C, trace the C, make a C, trace the C, and keep going across that line. And this says check C. If we were in class, I'd be running around to everybody's desk and checking your C that you made on your own without the dot. And I'd probably give you a star in that box. Now you're going to continue on this page. You are going to trace and make a new one, trace, make a new one, on and on. You connect your C's together. And before you turn the page to the next page, you're going to look at it and you're going to say, is that my best work? Is that my best? Is there something that is off? You want to match the size. You want to match the lines. And then you will go to the next page, which is page 9 in this packet. And you are going to practice your C's. You don't really need to do the, oh, wait. What did your teacher do? Huh, there should be a practice page. So much for a fabulous video. Oh, okay, it's been a long time since I did this. All right, excuse me for that cursive packet. All right, so new letter. I forgot that at the very beginning. It just goes really fast. because this is easy. So you're going to start out where the pencil is, going in the direction of the arrow, and you'll make a C. But here's the difference. And this is really a lot like the manuscript A that you started learning in kindergarten, right? So you're going to start at the top like you did over here, and you will go up. So that's kind of a straight line right there. So up like A, you are making a C, and then up, and you're going to bump that. That means you're not going up above it. You're going all the way, so this is a closed letter, right? Because A is a closed letter. We are on step 4 of making an A. So make that C, up, 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 bump, and then like the arrow says, come back, whoops, down, and travel away. Okay? The reason why these letters have tails, I like to call them, is that a lot of times you'll be connecting it to another letter. So the tails are for connecting. So now I want for you to copy these. If you need to remember where to start, please look at the top row. If you start this in a different place, your letter is not going to look the same. And I'm telling you this from experience. So you are going to do just what you did for the C page. You are going to practice. And your hope is that each letter looks the same in size, the same in shape. You're training your hand muscles. You're training your eyes. And that is what you do. Let's peek down at the bottom for your first experience in connecting. Well, okay, your second experience in connecting, because you did double C's, didn't you? So here where it says A, C, you're going to start at the same place for your A, bump, back down, travel over, and here's where the C gets a little different. You're going to go up to the top of the C like you're climbing a hill, and then you're going to ski back down that hill, whee, right here. Okay, whoops, it takes it a little long. That's not how I usually do it, but I can make it longer because that's what it says, right? Okay, so for this first handwriting experience, I want for you to do both pages 8 and 9 and check your work, and maybe have a grown-up check your work, and if you did a good job, maybe you can get a happy face at the top. Or you can give yourself a happy face, or even an A+. But if you think you should give yourself a D, then, or a score of 1, then that means you need to erase and do it over. All right, so have some fun, and when you're done, post it on Seesaw so I can see what you have done. Bye for now.